That's nice.
I'll be leaving for Europe in 10 days.
Good for you. Make it 10 weeks.
Oh, here's extra.
Oh, oh my daughter. I will miss you, my daughter.
Mommy, but
Take care.
I'll be here.
Oh no, never mind.
Okay.
My daughter, love you. Have fun in Europe. Be safe.
Aww. So sweet.
Thank you, ma. Okay, thank you. Be safe.
Who took a bite of my cake? I just bought this.
I don't know, Apple. I'm eating an onion. See? Oh, who did it? I don't know.
Who ate the powdered donuts? Earlier it was 10, now it's just 3.
That's not me.
I hate liars. We have to be honest here. We are only 3, oh. How can I eat that? I'm vegan. Oh, I cannot reach.